Have a nice day, friends. Today I'm in the workshop to show you our mini centrifugal machine. This is a special machine made for PU sheet. We normally use it to do the testing. Let's open the door, have a look. This is a small jar to pouring the PU inside the small jar. So you can see the jar flatness is very good. This is good equipment for you to do the testing, tensing, and the other testing. Let's have a look at the back side. Here is the motor and the rotation shaft with the heating element inside it. If you are interested in our PU centrifugal machine and the other size, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.